If you want to keep your hair beautiful, you need to sleep well, eat nutritious food, live a worry-free life, keep your hair clean and so on. Today we will show you how to make extreme hair growth mask for dry hair. First, take 2 egg yolks in a bowl. Eggs are a nutrient-rich hair superfood. Vitamins A and E, biotin, and folate are just some of the nutrients found in eggs that are said to help keep hair thick and healthy. The yolk is loaded with healthy fats, which help replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. Add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. Add 2 tablespoons yogurt. Yogurt helps unclog the hair follicles present in the scalp, which is responsible for hair fall. It makes the roots stronger and helps the follicles get the nourishment that it needs. Mix well. Now apply this mask on hair, scalp to hair length for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, wash your hair with shampoo to get best result. Apply this mask 2 to 3 times in a week. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, visit our websites.